बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है। ये हमारे 2.5 साल का सपना अभी पूरा हो रहा है। 7 अप्रैल को फिल्म रिलीज़ है। पोस्टर आज रिलीज़ किया, कल प्रोमो आउट होगा। अनुराग बासु, प्रीतम, कटरीना और मैंने बहुत मेहनत से फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, दिल से बनाई है। एक फैमिली फिल्म है, बच्चों की फिल्म है और यही विश करता हूँ कि लोगों को पसंद आए। आप सबकी मदद चाहिए कि इस फिल्म को आप एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव तरीके से बाहर प्रेजेंट करें। And I'm looking forward to it. Well, I honestly don't think I deserve to win this year. There are superior performances. Amit ji hai, Salman Khan hai, Sushant hai. They all have done some wonderful performances this year, and they are more deserving than I am. But I'm performing this year, so I'm very excited. Plus, my father is winning an award, which means a lot to me, for Kapoor and Sons. So I'm really looking forward to that. मुझे था to work with Raju Hirani. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि I don't deserve this film, but really looking forward to working on that film.
Sonam will also be a part of Sanjay Dutt's biopic.
I don't think जो कास्ट है वो अभी तक अनाउंस हुई है. कंफर्म हाँ तो फिर है.
Hi guys. I know ना, सब शॉक हो गए कि ये मैं कहाँ से आ गई. Actually I landed yesterday और आज मैंने कॉफ़ी विद करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, so I had to come. परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, सो आई वांटेड टू कम एंड सी दैट. एंड मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट्स इतने सालों से, इतने दिनों से नहीं किए. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के एक रेड कार्पेट में आने के लिए. पता करो, देखना. इट्स फॉर मी टू नो एंड यू टू फाइंड आउट. हमने ग्लोबल प्लान बनाया है विच इंडिया इज अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ दैट. तो आएंगे, मतलब मेरा एब्सोल्युटली. द फिल्म रिलीजेस इन मे एंड वी आर इन November, December when the trailer release. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिको सीज़न 2 और 3 के बीच में. अब वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, और जनवरी में आई विल डिसाइड बाय जनवरी आई शुड नो. मैं काम कर रही हूँ रोज़. आई एम वर्किंग टिल द 29th, रोज़ शूटिंग. मैंने अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोली और बॉम्बे की खुशबू को अंदर लिया. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. थैंक्स गाइस.
सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए. ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी. उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था. आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियाँ जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए. और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने. सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया. और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को. मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की. They must be given the dignity and the respect that they deserve, and I'm very happy to be associated with a cause through a film that propagates this dialogue. Thank you. हाँ जी, नया साल तो हर रोज़ होता है जी. बधाई.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Best actress.
I don't think it's my award. I don't know what to say. I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my performance, but I don't know how to accept it or think about it. Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. तो हम उनका birthday जो है वो Christmas पे गिरता है. So we actually always do a family thing. Yeah, he is. I think so. मैं उनको कहती रहती हूँ कि उन्हें one day or the other he has to start behaving like my father. Yeah. handsome also. He deserves it. He deserves it, and more for him in the future.
मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था, मतलब एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदार ही बनना पड़ेगा। तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बात। बर्थडे इज़ लाइक you know, for me every day is a birthday, and I just roll. I just, you know, for me every day is a birthday, so nothing very special.
Thank you very much, but you know, I'll prefer in English.
This is your first performance at the award ceremony.
It is.
How was it, and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much, so I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated, so anything on that front you would like to
Himesh's album, yes, and our song seems to be very well received by the audience, so I'm very happy about that.
Now that you've performed here and you've done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know, music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Right. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What would you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know, all my respect and my love.
Okay. Alright. Salman was also here. I'm seeing your performance was there yesterday for the technical awards and so any tips or inputs that you shared with him as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there?
I've said it before, you know, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and enjoy yourself, then
But no, any special tips from Salman that you would have to give?
this is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are your plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know, just to do more that I love.
But will you
These are my plans for the next year, actually.
okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest new year, full of love, and wish you to have all the near ones, the loved ones near you.
What are you looking forward to this award ceremony? What is going to keep you really excited?
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also partly your return to South cinema with Ramesh. So how excited would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that you know, I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it. I think he's a very, very fine actor. I do think he's a very fine actor. I haven't seen Saundarya's work, but I think she looks, I mean, like as though she knows what she's talking about. So, and we get along very well. So things will be good. Amazing. In today's day and time, for any film to complete 50 days, I think is a huge, huge, big deal. And I'm really, really happy about Shivai. I expected it, but yes, it feels good. Sorry, I didn't get your question. What was his reaction? Why did you ask him that? But since I'm here, of course, he's also very, very excited about it. Of course, the same reaction that I have had is the same reaction that he has had as well. So we're all really, really happy about it. I think anything where the film industry gets a break, where the film industry, you know, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So I'm all for the film industry.